Welcome to Think Maths. In this session, we are going to discuss about the higher degree polynomials and the questions based on them. So the first question is, verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Also verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each case. So in the first question, they gave a polynomial and their zeros. We have to check whether these numbers are zeros of the polynomial. That is, if we substitute these values, if we substitute 1 by 2 instead of x, we should get the answer as 0. So if we get, then these numbers are zeros of the polynomial. So let us check. First I took p of x as the 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So the first root is p of 1 by 2. So p of 1 by 2 will be equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5. No, instead of x, we have to substitute 1 by 2 plus 2. Okay. So what happens here? 3 2's are in denominator. So 1 2 gets cancelled. So it will be 2 into 2. So 1 by 4 plus, so 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So in first two terms, we are going to take LCM as 2. So 1 minus 5 plus 2. So 1 minus 5 is minus 4 divided by 2 plus 2. So minus 4 by 2 is 2. That is minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. So now we are going to check the next term. So next value is 1. So what is P of 1? P of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus, no, is it plus 2? Yes, it is plus 2. So which is equal to 2 into 1 is 1 plus 1 square is 1 minus 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2. So adding the positive terms, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 minus 5. So which is equal to 0. So next they gave P of minus 2. So 2 into, instead of x, we have to substitute minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube plus x square. So minus 2 whole square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2. So which is equal to, so minus 2 whole cube is minus 8 plus minus 2 whole square is plus 4. So minus into minus is plus 5 into 2, 10 plus 2. So which is equal to minus 16 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2. So minus 16, adding all the positive values, 4 plus 10, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. So which is equal to 0. So for all the values, we got P of x as 0. So 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 are zeros. So we have verified the first step. So next we have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients in each case. Okay. So let me erase this. So now I am going to take alpha, beta, gamma as roots of this polynomial. So then we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we have to prove that alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what are the roots here? 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2. So what happens if I take LCM as 2? This is 1. You have to multiply by 2 here. So again you have to multiply by 2 here. So 2 into 2 is 4. So the answer is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. So which is equal to minus 1. Okay. So here the coefficient of x square is 1. So we can write as minus coefficient of x square divided by 2 is the coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube. So we got the first relation. So next we have to prove that product of two roots taken at a time. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So here I took the roots are 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1, gamma is equal to minus 2. So alpha beta. So 1 by 2 into beta is 1 plus beta into 1 into gamma is minus 2 plus minus 2 into alpha is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. So minus 1. Again taking LCM as 2, 1 minus 4 minus 2. So which is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 by 2. So here minus 5 is nothing but coefficient of x. So we can write as coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So second relation is proved. Next last is product of the roots. So alpha, beta, gamma. So 1 by 2, 1 minus 2. So which is equal to, this gets cancelled, minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1 divided by 1. So or you can write it as multiplying up and down by 2. You can write as minus 2 divided by 2. So minus 2 is nothing but minus of 2 is nothing but constant term. So minus constant term divided by this 2 is nothing but coefficient of x cube. So coefficient of x cube. So we have proved the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Okay. So let me go to the next problem. So the next problem is, just a minute. Okay. Second problem, x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 2 and the roots are 2, 1, 1. So first we have to prove that these are the roots. So we have to prove that p of x equal to 0 when x is equal to 2, 1, 1. Okay. So let me take first one, p of 2. So p of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 minus 2. So which is equal to 8 minus 2 into 2 is 2 power 2 is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16 plus 5 into 2 10 minus 2. So which is equal to, so let me add all the positive values. So 10 plus 8 is 18 minus 16 plus 2 is 18. So which is equal to 0. So next is 1. So substituting 1 for x, 1 cube minus 4 into 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 2. So which is equal to 1 minus 4 plus 5 minus 2. So adding all the positive values are 1 and 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6 and the negative values are 4 and 2. Adding that you will get 6. So next is also p of 1. We already proved that p of 1 is equal to 0. So we have proved that 2, 1, 1 are the zeros of this polynomial. Next we have to prove the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So for that I am going to take alpha, beta, gamma as roots of this polynomial. So then alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to 1. So the first is sum of the roots, alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 1. So which is equal to 4. So you can write this as minus of minus 4 divided by 1. So minus of minus 4 is nothing but coefficient of x square. 1 is nothing but coefficient of x cube. So the first relation is proved. So next relation is sum of the products taken 2 at a time. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So alpha is 2, beta 1 plus beta is 1 and gamma is also 1 plus 1 into alpha is 2. So which is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 is 5. So which can be written as 5 divided by 1. So 5 is nothing but coefficient of x divided by 1 is nothing but coefficient of x cube. Okay. So next is product of the roots alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but 2 into 1 into 1. So which is equal to 2. So you can write as minus of minus 2 divided by 1. So which is equal to minus 2 is nothing but constant term. So constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So all the three relations are proved for this problem also. Okay, can you understand? Okay. So let me go to the next problem. The next problem is we have to find a cubic polynomial with the sum of the product of its zeros taken two at a time and the product of its, so this is of its. Okay, just a minute. The product of its zeros are 2 minus 7 minus 14. Okay, so we have to find the cubic polynomial. So they gave sum of the product of the roots and some product of its zero. So first let me take alpha, beta, gamma as the roots. Okay, so they gave alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 2, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to minus 7 and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus 40. Okay, so we know that the cubic polynomial is of the form x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x plus alpha beta, no, x square here, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma, which is equal to 0. Okay, so x cube. So what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? It is 2. 2x square. Alpha beta sum of the product of the root is minus 7x minus alpha beta gamma, which is minus 40. So the cubic polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 40. So this is very easy. You can do it directly. Okay, can you understand? Okay. So let me go to the next problem. The next problem is if the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a plus b, find a and b. So they gave the roots as a minus b, a plus b. So we have to find a and b. Okay. So the polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. So I took the roots as alpha, beta, gamma. So we have to find the values of a and b. So they gave the roots as alpha. So I took the root as alpha, but they gave it is as a minus b. So beta is equal to a, gamma is equal to a plus b. So we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is sum of the roots. So a minus b plus a plus a plus b. Okay. So what is sum of the roots? It is nothing but coefficient of minus coefficient of x, that is minus coefficient of x square. So minus coefficient of x square is minus 3 divided by coefficient of x cube, so which is 1. So this equation becomes minus b and plus b gets cancelled, which is equal to 3a. So we get minus of minus 3 is plus 3, which is equal to 3a. So a will be equal to 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1. So now we have to find the value of b. So we use the product of the roots, that is alpha, beta, gamma. So alpha, beta, gamma is nothing but a minus b, a plus b. So alpha, beta, gamma according to the relation, it is nothing but minus constant term. So constant term is 1 divided by coefficient of x cube, which is equal to 1. So if you multiply a minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square into a. Okay, so this is minus 1. So a cube minus a b square. So we know the value of a. So substituting a, we get, so we are going to substitute a is equal to 1 here. So 1 minus b square. Okay. So 1 minus b square. I take this minus b square to this side, to left hand side. So it will become plus b square. Here 1. This minus 1 comes to right hand side. It will become plus 1. So it is equal to 2. So b square equal to 2. Then taking square root, we get b is equal to plus or minus root 2. So the values are 1 and plus or minus root 2. So these are the values of a and b. I hope you can understand. So let me go to the next problem. The next problem is, if two zeros of the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus or minus root 3, find other zeros. Okay, so they gave the two zeros. We have to find the other two zeros. Okay, so since two zeros are 2 plus or minus root 3, we can say that x, these are this will become factors, that is x minus 2 plus root 3 and x minus 2 minus root 3, which is equal to, so I am interchanging this, that is I am writing as x minus 2, this minus root 3, that is I am clubbing x minus 2 and minus root 3 outside, here minus root 3. Okay, so in the same way here, x minus 2 I am writing inside the bracket, I am writing this plus 3 outside the bracket. So it will be of the form a minus b into a plus b. So I can write as x minus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. Okay, so x minus 2 whole square is x square minus 4x plus 4 minus root 3 whole square is 3. So what happens? So x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, so this will be the factor. Okay, since they gave they are zeros, so this equation will be the factor of the given polynomial. Okay, so what can we do? We can divide the given polynomial by x square minus 4x plus 1. So we are going to, in the next step, we are going to divide the given polynomial by x square minus 4x plus 1. Okay, so we are going to divide now. So x square minus 4x plus 1. So the given polynomial is x power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So here it is x power 4. So in order to get x power 4, we have to multiply x square by x square. So x power 4 minus 4 into x square is minus 4x cube plus 1 into x square is plus x square. So on subtracting, the signs will change. So this gets cancelled. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2x cube. So to minus 26 and minus x square is minus 27x square plus 138x. So in order to get minus 2x cube, we have to multiply x square by minus 2x. So minus 2x. So what happens? This becomes minus 2x cube. Minus 4 into minus 2x is minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. X into x is x square. 1 into minus 2x minus 2x. So subtracting, this will become plus and minus, and this is plus. Okay, so this gets cancelled. So minus 27 and minus 8 is minus 35x square. So 138 plus 2 is 140x minus 35. So we have to multiply by minus 35. in the quotient. So you will get minus 35x square, minus into minus plus is plus 4 into 35 is 140. So 140x, 1 into minus 35 is minus 35. So on subtracting, the signs will change and every term will get cancelled. The remainder is 0. So this equation can be written as, the given polynomial can be written as, what is the divisor? It is x square minus 4x plus 1 into quotient. So x square minus 2x minus 35. Okay. So which is equal to this polynomial plus the remainder 0. Okay. So we have to factorize this term to get other zeros. So x square minus 2x minus 35. So 7 5s are 35. So minus 2x can be written as minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. So x is taken outside, x minus 7. Here plus 5 is taken outside, x minus 7. So x minus 7 is taken outside, the remaining terms will be x plus 5. So if I equate to 0, then the roots will be 7 and minus 5. So these are the other zeros of the given polynomial. Okay, can you understand? Okay, so let me go to the next problem. The next problem, that is the last problem. If the polynomial x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, the remainder comes out to be x plus a. We have to find k and a. Okay, so let me take the given polynomial as p of x. So p of x equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. So they are dividing by a polynomial g of x. So which is equal to x square minus 2x plus k. Okay. So the remainder is r of x, which is equal to x plus a. So using this, we have to find k and a. So this polynomial, the given polynomial is divided by x square minus 2x plus k. So we are going to divide the polynomial. Okay. So x square minus 2x plus k. The given polynomial is x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. So we have to multiply by x power 2. So we will get x power 4 minus 2 into x square is minus 2x into x square is minus 2x cube plus k into x square is plus kx square. Okay, and subtracting, the signs will change. So this gets cancelled. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4x cube plus 16 minus k. 16 minus k x square minus 25x. Okay. So next step is we have to multiply by minus 4x. So minus 4x. So you will get minus 4x cube minus 2 into minus 2x into minus 4x. So it is plus 8x. 8x square. So plus k into minus 4x is minus 4kx. Okay. So on changing the sign, we will get this as plus, minus, and this is plus. So this gets cancelled. So 16 minus 8 is 8. So here minus k. So 8 minus k x square. Here minus 25 plus 4k. Okay. So I can take minus outside and write it as 25 minus 4k into x plus 10. So we have to multiply by 8 minus k. Okay. So plus 8 minus k. So it will be 8 minus k x square. So minus 2 into 8 minus k. So which is equal to, so minus sign is there. 2 into 8 is 16. 2 into minus k is minus 2k into x. Okay. So next plus k into 8 minus k. So plus, I am writing this down as you cannot see, plus k into 8 minus k. So I am subtracting, this gets cancelled and this sign will become plus and this sign will become minus. So it is here minus 25 plus 4k. Here plus 16 and this is minus 2k into x. Plus here it is 10 is here 10 and this sign has changed to minus. So minus k into 8 is minus 8k, as it is here minus of minus is plus. So plus k square. Okay. So what will happen? So what are the terms you will get? So 4k minus 2k is 2k. So minus 25 plus 16, it is minus 9. So 2k minus 9 into x. Here 10 minus 8k plus k square plus 10 minus 8k plus k square. So this is the k square. So this is the remainder. So but the remainder is they gave us x plus a. So we have to equate this. Okay. So this is also a remainder, but the remainder they gave us x plus a. So what happens? We can equate both the reminders. So x plus a will be equal to 2k minus 9 into x plus, what is the constant term? 10 minus 8k plus k square. Okay. So we are going to equate the coefficient of x and the constant term. So equating the coefficient of x, it is 1. Coefficient of x here is 1, which is equal to, here the coefficient is 2k minus 9. Okay. So 2k minus 9 equal to 1. So 2k is here. I am bringing this minus 9 to the other side. It will become 1 plus 9. So k is equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5. So next the constant term is 10 minus 8k plus k square, which is equal to, so the constant term here is a. So on substituting, k is equal to 5. So 10 minus 8 into 5 plus 5 square is 25, which is equal to a. So 10 minus 40 plus 25 equal to a. So adding the positive terms, 10 plus 25 is 35. So 35 minus 40 is minus 5. So a is equal to minus 5. So we got k is equal to 5 and a is equal to minus 5. So this is the solution for the given problem. Okay, can you understand? So that's all for this session. I hope you can understand all the problems. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, just like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. Thank you. Thank you for your support.